Today, I'll walk you through how to replace a Moen 1225 shower valve cartridge, step by step. If you're dealing with a dripping shower or inconsistent water temperature, this is often the fix you need. Plus, I'll share a few bonus tips to make the process smoother and stress-free. Let's get started. Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to my kitchen faucets channel. Tools and materials: a replacement Moen 1225 cartridge, an adjustable wrench, a pair of pliers, screwdrivers, plumber's grease, towels. Begin by turning off the water supply to your shower. You can usually find the shut-off valve in your bathroom or basement. Make sure the water is completely off before you proceed to avoid any unwanted surprises. Next, remove the shower handle. Depending on your shower model, this may involve unscrewing a cover plate and then loosening a screw. Keep all screws and parts in a safe place so you can reassemble everything later. After the handle, you'll need to take off the escutcheon plate. This is the decorative plate against the wall. It should come off easily with a screwdriver. If it's stuck, don't worry. Old cartridges can be stubborn, but a little patience and persistence go a long way. You may need to work it out slowly using pliers before installing the new cartridge. Clean to remove any debris or mineral deposits. Now, take the new Moen 1225 cartridge and apply a bit of plumber's grease to the O-rings. This will help it slide in smoothly and prevent leaks. Insert the new cartridge into the valve body, making sure it's seated properly. Time to put everything back together. Reattach the escutcheon plate and the handle. Double check that all screws are tightened properly. Turn the water supply back on and test your new cartridge by running the shower. Check for any leaks and make sure the handle operates smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully replaced your Moen 1225 shower valve cartridge. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.